guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I'm going to introduce you guys to a new project. Now some of you may have heard about this project, some of you may, or you probably haven't if you're watching this video, but yeah, AllianceBlock, really cool project. So before I start, let me just outline what this project is about. So it's described to provide the bridge between traditional and digital capital markets for all participants, reflecting how traditional finance would be designed today with current technology. It's claimed that its ecosystem streamlines assurance, validation, and clearance while integrating a progressive regulatory and compliance framework in order to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Now, when I go through this kind of information, I really like to decipher and get to the point. Now, I said to you guys, especially if you've been following my channel for quite some time, I've said I'm interested in projects that are bridging the gaps between the centralized and decentralized world, right? This project ticks the box. Now, I was alerted about this quite earlier on. However, it was added to the watch list, but I didn't take action. Now, if I did take action, this would be, a massive return so far. But guess what, guys? I don't mind, right? Because I believe it's still super early. So before we get into the price action, let's just go through some of the token metrics. So price currently at 65 cents. As you can see, up 10% for the day. It's been doing extremely well over the past few weeks and months. Total market cap 151 million, so extremely small, with a lot of potential to go. Hopefully this can hit at least 1 billion market cap before the end of the year. But anyway, guys, circulating supply 250,000 or just under that, and max supply is 1 billion. So nice token supply in line with the type of projects that we tend to invest in. So let's get into the technicals. In fact, guys, before I continue with this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember, guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So always make sure to do your own research. With that being said, pause the video, click the link in my description, and join a Telegram group, because this is where you're going to be able to stay up to date on all our latest updates, news updates, technical updates, and much more. So pause the video and do that right now. Done? Perfect. So now what you can do, if you really want to make money with us, is upgrade to Crypto Group Premium. This is where you're going to get our under the radar cryptocurrency gems, specific entries, exits, and much more. And of course, participate in our $500 to 1 Bitcoin challenge. So I would urge you all to join that right now. Link also in the description. Now, let's continue with the video. So as you can see, for those of you that have been following our technical vids, we can see quite clearly we have a double bottom pattern right here. Now again, guys, don't worry if you cannot follow the technicals. I'm here to make this easy for you and make you understand the overall opportunity. So as you can see, once we broke this high, and of course we saw price break out, we did anticipate a pullback. Now we did see a small pullback, as you can see, a pullback back to this resistance area, and then previous support, and then we're seeing price starting to take off. Now the question is, what's going to happen now? A lot of traders, tend to get spooked out, especially when we're in price discovery phase, because you're wondering, okay, well, how far can this climb, right? And in my opinion, I believe that this could be one of the most underrated projects of 2021, especially me missing that juicy entry as cheap as literally this bot. No, it was just around this area here. Yeah, I believe it was just around here. This is where I missed my entry. In fact, probably before that, but that doesn't matter. Now I have the opportunity, and if you're watching, you have this opportunity too. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on the website, because it's important to do this as well, guys. Before you buy into any project, it's important to check out the website, look a lot more in depth into the project, look at the financials behind the projects, etc. And if you can, some testimonials, etc. So I haven't even watched this yet, so I'm going to do all of this before making a more informed decisions. But look, guys, as soon as we click on the website, we can see their partners and supporters. So they are partnered with Quant, Holochain, Chainlink, London Stock Exchange. Very, very interesting. As you can see, Kickstart. What other major projects we have that here? Wow, we've got loads of projects here. So this does look like, oh wow, Hedera. Okay, this looks like a project definitely that we could look for an entry on almost imminently. So this, and as you can see in the media, NASDAQ, Crowdfund Insider, CNN Business, Express, the European Business Review. So we can see that this is already a reputable crypto, right? This already has some type of standing behind it based on the type of partners and supporters they have, and as you can see, some of the media outlets that they have been involved in. And as you can see, the future of investment banking. So let's have a look. We'll look at this more in detail. We'll probably do an in-depth video on this just so you guys can see that our methodology behind some of our entries, exits, and obviously the way we scout projects. But of course, guys, if you want to be able to access our entries immediately, now's the time to join Crypto Crew Premium, because we're likely to get an entry and a target on this particular crypto. So yeah. And as you can see, it's available on Uniswap, KuCoin. Let's see what other markets is available on. Let's see, Bitfinex, balance 1 inch. Let's go down. 1 inch, moon. Okay, so yeah, if you want to access this project, you're probably going to need access to Uniswap, to buy on Uniswap, KuCoin, etc. KuCoin obviously being a major exchange that you can buy this from. But yeah, project does look super exciting. And before I wrap this video up, let's just have a look at its recent highs. 2 seconds, guys. Where is our graph? There we go. There we go. Okay, cool. So let's just have a look again. We'll look at year to date. Okay, so as you can see, this does look very different from our trading view graph, which is why I do like to make sure I'm looking at more than one graph. You can also look at CoinGecko as well. But yeah, it looks super cool. Interesting, very low market cap. And as you can see, very early in this project's journey. And as you can see, it only launched this year, guys, January the 2nd. So let's be, let's just, think about it like this. If this is to blow up, let's just look at projects that have a similar market cap, are doing similar things in the market, etc. And let's look at where they are now. $20 per coin, $15 per coin, $30 per coin. So buying at this area, even if price was to go to $10 per coin, guys, you've made a fortune already. And this is why we are the best, in my opinion, and others, in the community, the best crypto community on this planet, because only we are finding projects like this. And again, guys, we're going to look back on this video. What's the price at now? 65 cents. And again, we had the opportunity to buy cheaper, and that was one of our analysts that actually pointed that out to us. So 65 cents. Let's see how this looks. We're going to obviously get our entries in if you want to be able to do that, Crypto Crew Premium or crypto for our Telegram group as well, just so you can stay up to date as well. But yeah, so if this even hits $10, guys, you've over 100x on your money. Guys, when others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. Now is the time to be greedy. And I'm going to wrap this up by saying, make sure you join the Telegram group. And obviously make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But as always, seize the day.